In this video, we are going to show you how easy it is to hang the Tetbury shelf. All our hanging shelves are supplied fully assembled and come with a fixing template to make them really easy to hang and get level. The Tetbury hanging shelves are all handmade, and both the shelf and the fixings are designed by us to ensure the shelf is very strong once fixed to the wall. The assembly instructions are included with the product, but can also be found on our website under the product listing page. To complete the assembly, you'll require a standard crosshead screwdriver and the correct drill for your wall. Position your shelf in its desired location. Using a pencil, mark its position both horizontally and vertically across the top right-hand corner. Using the pencil marks as a guide, place the marker template onto the wall using a spirit level to ensure it's level. Then, clearly mark both the holes with a pencil. Drill the holes using an appropriate drill bit. In this demonstration, we are showing how to fix the shelf to a standard interior wall using the wall plugs provided. However, for wooden studs, you will only need to use the included wood screws, and for plasterboard, you will need to use cavity wall plugs. Push the 2x wall plugs into the holes. And screw in the screws, leaving the head of the screw proud in order to hang the shelf. We have designed the brackets to angle the shelf against the wall once hung. This ensures the shelf is hung securely and will take the weight of many coats. To find out more information about this product or any of the other ranges from furniture.co.uk, please check out the links accompanying this video.